Hey, what's up YouTube? Wanted to show you guys a new pickup that we did today. It's a 2006 Trailblazer SS, two-wheel drive, fully loaded. Give you guys a little walk around real quick and then start talking about the car in a bit. So this car is pretty well maintained. It's 2006, so it's about 14 years old. 6.0 engine. Has a cold air intake. Little catch can right here. Seems to be a new optimal battery. MSD wires. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. Has these little grill inserts. We might remove all of them. There's those, and then all three in the middle. Then they got some 20-inch wheels by True Forge. These wheels were custom made. They never made them 5-spoke 6 lugs, so the previous owner got them custom made. And this might be the only set ever made actually for these wheels. And it has some StopTech, what seems to be like a 6-piston caliper up front, slotted rotors for the rear. It has a bit more lip in the fronts, and stock calipers. It does have slotted rotors, and they did the spring conversion on this. You guys can't see it, but they also did the panhard bar. It has some Fox shocks up in the back. Has a Rockford Fosgate with the custom box, little first aid kit, original carpet. It has the amp back here, and the wiring for the tow hitch. It does have this tow hitch cover. It has the dual exhaust back here for the back seats. They're leather back seats. I didn't know, but the 06 didn't come with the suede in the middle. They're pretty clean. I don't think anyone ever sat back here. The original jack, the rest of the stuff for the jack. It has some mats on top of the original ones, so that's pretty clean. All the speakers were replaced. Sounds pretty good actually. Has some mats on top of the original mats. These mats were never stepped on. All the owner manuals. Suede is in pretty good condition. For the driver's side, everything's pretty intact except this plastic trim right here, but we do have the replacement. Gonna replace it pretty soon, and the regular wear and tear from the driver's seat. All the windows work. Sunroof. I'm gonna turn it on for you guys. They installed the temperature gauge for the transmission, and this car only has 95,000 miles, which is pretty good for a car that's 14 years old. It should have roughly 140. He did an Alpine system, everything Alpine, even the backup camera is Alpine. I don't know why you can't really see it too good, but AC works, and the heaters work. Heated seats. All the windows work. Matching tint to the factory tint back here. One thing we do want to address is the oil pan. We want to do the C6 Corvette oil pan swap and the aftermarket cross member that goes with that swap. So make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Follow us on Instagram at YONKE_OXC films, and we'll catch you in the next one.